I like to make gefilte fish on the holidays.
How do you
It's
make
fun.
gefilte fish?
Well, you sort of grind up the fish and like carrots and onions and all sorts of stuff and bake it in a loaf. That's how we do it. I hated it when I was a kid because I didn't like fish of any kind, but I've grown to like it over the years. It's a big thing at the holidays. You always have to like make each separate gefilte fish plate. So with like a slice and the lettuce and the tomatoes and carrot flowers.
You can make carrot flowers.
Sort of. Amateur carrot flowers.
Any other foods you liked?
Matzo balls, chicken soup. I make it on my own sometimes, but it's never quite as good as my mom's. And yeah, that was the thing with my grandmother too. Every time we went to Winnipeg, she would always have a pot of chicken soup on when we arrived. That was always, are you hungry? It's the first question.